Looking for an amazing community in Northport that's family friendly with a community center, pool, and playground? Welcome to Cedar Grove. Think the community is great? The house is even better. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a den, over 2,200 square feet, open floor plan, and being built in 2023 has a beautiful modern feel. So when you're ready to see this amazing community and beautiful home, give me a call.